Jazzy lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Watch me dye my hair from this to this. To my returning subscribers, welcome back. To my new subscribers, how you're doing, welcome to this channel. It's good to have you here. One of the goals for this video or for dyeing my hair is to have a ginger looking hair. I did make some mistakes that I would like to share with you all. And I think when I was having these thoughts, I knew I might not get the desired color that I was going for, which is ginger, because my hair, the current state of my hair, I'm not even sure what the current color of my hair is. I think it's black, blonde, I don't know. I've been using clove water and clove oil, clove infused oil, a lot of cloves on my hair. And one of the things clove does to your hair, it makes your hair dark. So I guess that's why I'm not so sure what the color is. I made mistakes that I would like to share with you all. Before I list the mistakes I made, first, do you want to dye your hair? And why? My reasons are simple. I never did have black hair like I mentioned earlier, so it was always intriguing for me to have colored extensions on my hair. I did blonde top, like the tip of my hair. What do they call it? It's not tip. Is it the tip? Yes, I got the word, the end of my hair. So I did blonde last year, September 2022, as I was not sure how my hair will react to the dye. It also does not like to be relaxed, honestly. Story for another day. I decided ginger because it looks really nice. Also to help monitor my hair growth, to see the visible growth for a few months using all these oils and herbs on them. Now let's get right into the mistake I made while dyeing my hair, or before dyeing my hair in general. First mistake I made was not reading the leaflets completely. I did read a little, but not everything. With it comes do's and don'ts and other things that you should all know about. So if you are dyeing your hair, if you want to dye your hair, always read. If it comes with a leaflet, you buy the whole pack, because I'm using Creme of Nature, that's how it's spelled. Creme of Nature hair dye on my hair, color C32. Color. Other mistakes I made are all linked to the first, which is not reading the instructions completely. I did not wash my hair to take out product buildup that were already in them from previous. So one of the instructions the leaflet says is, if your hair is dirty, you should wash it a day before you dye your hair. I don't know why, but that's what it says. So I didn't wash my hair. My hair was in its dirty state. Not washed it for a month and 1 week, I think. 6 weeks or 5 weeks. I didn't wash the hair because I had crochet on it. This crochet on it. So I just lose the hair, and continue with what I do. So the third mistake, I did not comb or finger detangle my hair, as seen in this video. I went straight into it with uncombed hair, and guys, if you see what happened. The fourth one, I did not spray water after applying the dye as instructed on the leaflets. So at one point the hair just stick together, like it stayed together. The fifth mistake I made was sectioning my hair into 4. I would have sectioned it into 6, 8, or even more for proper application. The sixth is applying the dye impatiently. Like when I was applying it, I just do them sharp. Then I just forgot all the should I call it training, or all what I know about dyeing hair. I know we applying the dye on my hair soon, but I think I'll give it a month's rest before I do it again, and I'll definitely be doing it differently. And all these mistakes I've mentioned, definitely I'm not doing it again. Thankfully, the shea butter conditioner in this pack works wonders. So at the point where my hair got stuck together, I freaked out. Like, I'm not just as in, I just like, oh, my hair don't spoil, and I was sure I'm going to have to cut it with scissors. But thankfully, the shea butter conditioner in the pack is really good. It immediately made my hair tangle less, easy to finger the tangle and comb properly. Then I use my own personal conditioner on it. So the whole tangle that I was so scared of, everything just went off. I added shea butter that made the whole process worth the try, as I was able to not only comb my hair but reduce breakage a lot, just finishing with threading to stretch my hair and keep it from shrinking. My hair and shrinkage, maybe 5 and 6. Let me know in the comment section if you have dyed your hair before. What was your experience like? What color did you dye it? And what is the state of your hair now? Like, did it break? Did you have breakage? Was it healthy? What did you do afterwards? And or how did you keep it? Because the truth is, dye is like relaxer. It weakens the strength of your hair. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button to get notified anytime I post a new video. Like and comment. Bye.